Bollywood actress Deepika Padukone, who has been summoned by the NCB probing the narcotics angle connected with Sushant Singh Rajput's death, on Thursday left Goa for Mumbai. Deepika, who was in Goa to shoot for an upcoming film along with Siddhant Chaturvedi and Ananya Pandey, she left her five-star resort in North Goa's Aquarium Beach village for the Dabolim International Airport, from where she will be travelling to Mumbai in a special chartered flight. Before leaving for Mumbai, Deepika also met members from her legal team at the resort, sources said. The sudden dash to Mumbai comes in the wake of the Narcotics Control Bureau probe, in which a 2017 WhatsApp message allegedly between the actress and her talent manager Karishma Prakash surfaced, where the duo were reportedly discussing banned substances. Prakash is a colleague of Jaya Saha at Quan. Saha has been questioned by all federal agencies in the Sushant probe and is one of the main accused in the FIR filed by the late actor's father. Deepika has been formally summoned to appear before the NCB officials in Mumbai on Friday. On Wednesday, veteran designer Manish Malhotra was the finale act as he closed the digital edition of Indian Couture Week with a showcase of his latest couture collection, Ruhaniyat, a celebration called Life. Bollywood actress Janhvi Kapoor featured in the fashion film, which was streamed in film format across the various social media handles of the organizers of the event. Focusing both on the bridal wear and jewelry, the sequence was shot at the Leela Palace Hotel in New Delhi. The film opened with a tribute dedicated to the artistry of Indian craftsmen and the art and craft of Awadh and Punjab. Janhvi shared pictures of her beautiful glam look on Instagram. Inspired by the aesthetic of the Mughals, the collection presented a suitable lineup of ensemble for modern taste: Kalidar kurtas, Khada dupattas, ghararas, izar salwars for women in jama, angrakha and heavy shawls for men in pure and cotton silk, mashru, velvet and muslin, rich in tradition yet effortless in drape and style. Mumbai-based filmmaker Sam Ahmed Bombay, who was arrested on Tuesday for allegedly molesting and assaulting his wife actress Poonam Pandey following a personal dispute, was on Wednesday released on conditional bail by a trial court. Sam Bombay, who was booked under Section 353, 354 and 506 of the Indian Penal Code, has been directed by the court to report before the investigating officer at the Kanakona police station in South Goa for 4 days and cooperate with the investigation. Pandey is a social media influencer. She had married Sam Bombay last month. Bombay was arrested after the police conducted inquiries at the South Goa hotel where the assault allegedly took place. In a statement, Goa police said that the investigating officer had also requisitioned for CCTV footage of the incident. Actress Saima Ajrekar, who made her debut with Dabangg 3, is all set to star in her next film. The film is based on Major Sandeep Unnikrishnan. Sai took to Instagram to confirm the news. She wrote, "Honored, humbled and excited to be a part of Braveheart, Major Sandeep Unnikrishnan's biopic. It's a film based on NSG commando who fought with utmost bravery in the 26/11 Mumbai attacks. Can't wait to join the cast and start shooting next month." The film is a Hindi-Telugu bilingual drama. Telugu actor Adivishesh will play the role of Major Unnikrishnan. Sunny Leone spent some time indulging in art with her little daughter Nisha on Wednesday and posted an Instagram picture capturing the moment. "Working together as a team, my little princess Nisha," she wrote alongside the image. Sunny often spends time to paint with her children and post pictures on social media. On September 2, she had posted a picture where she, along with her children, Nisha, Noah and Asher, gave vent to their artistic creativity. They ended up making around half a dozen paintings. Singing sensation Neha Kakkar recently posted hot pictures of herself on Instagram. In the pictures, Neha can be seen sporting sports bra which she teamed up with jeans and checkered shirt. Sharing the pics, Neha wrote, caption, "Recently Neha's new song Taro Ka Shahar was released. in which she was seen along with Vicky Kaushal's brother, Sunny Kaushal. Actress Tamannaah Bhatia was snapped at Mehboob's studio for a shoot on Thursday. The actress looked beautiful in a traditional outfit, teamed up with Mang Tika and floral hair accessory. Tamannaah also posed for the paparazzi.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.